Kasi ang mga French, umaga pa lang, red wine na. Tanghali, red wine. Dinner, bago matulog, red wine. Pampainit ng katawan. Kaya proven sa tao na yung longevity polyphenols nagte-take effect. Maliwanag po ba yun? Yes. Ano ginawa ngayon ng Nature's Way? By the way, this particular doctor that I'm mentioning, Dr. David Sinclair, na-feature yung experiment at study niya sa Harvard sa maraming fitness, health at business magazine, na-feature sa Fortune, na-feature sa Mayo Clinic, sa Fox News, CNN, WebMD, 60 Minutes, The New York Times. Na-feature din siya as a guest sa Barbara Walters Show, sa Oprah Winfrey Show. Pamilyar po ba kayo doon? Sikat o hindi sikat? Napag-usapan siya ng todo-todo. So, in short, yung Nature's Way, sinundan yung experiment niya. Gumawa ng supplement basing on longevity polyphenols. Good news, nilabas ang Restorlyf. Exclusive para sa AIM Global, para tayo muna rito sa AIM Global, ang humaba ang buhay. Why? With the consistent consumption of Restorlyf, natitrigger yung SIRT1 genes. And in doing so, hahaba yung buhay, pero yung aging nare-reverse. In short, hahaba yung buhay, pero yung sakit, pwedeng ma-reverse. Maganda o napakaganda? And here's the great part of this. Sabi ng iba, Dok, di ibig sabihin, yung iniinom namin na Restorlyf, para kaming umiinom ng sangkatutak na red wine. Correct! The good thing about this is you can equate this with 1 V-caps, kasi naka-V-caps din siya. 1 V-caps of Restorlyf is equivalent to 100 glasses of red wine. But without the alcohol intake, without the alcohol part. So in short, para kang umiinom ng red wine, pero walang alcohol. In short, walang tama. Hindi makakasama sa liver. Maganda po ba yung gano'n? Yes! Kasi sabi ng iba, Dok, bawal sa amin ng alak. Diba? Sa aming ganitong religion, bawal ang alak. Eh, pag ininom namin yan, may red wine powder, may red wine concentrate, tapos may iba pang ingredient na mataas dun sa pang-pa-activate ng SIRT1. Eh, baka malasing kami yan. Hindi po ito nakakalasing. Kasi nga tinanggal yung alcoholic counterpart o yung alcoholic part. So in doing so, yung active ingredient lang ng red wine ang napapakinabangan natin. Maganda o napakaganda? Yeah! So what will be the effect? Sabi nga rito, do you want to live up to 125 years? Sabi ng iba, Dok, parang ayoko, baka mamaya hindi na ako gumagalaw niyan. This is different. Why? You may be age 90. You may be at the age of 100, pero pakiramdam mo, para ka lang 60 years old. Isipin mo, darating ang time, 110 years old ka na, pero nagbubugi ka pa at nagtatango. Maganda po ba yun? Isipin mo, 125 years ka na, di ba? Pero kumakanta-kanta ka pa. Yung pakiramdam mo, para ka pang nasa 75 years old lang. Why? As again, nare-reverse yung aging. This is a breakthrough product for the past 1.5 years, guys. Yung active ingredient na to, ito ang pinag-uusapan ngayon sa US. Why? It is scientifically at medically proven. This is a very, very good combination with Alive. Pag inom mo ng Alive, pwede mo sabayan ng Restorlyf. Para alive na alive ka na at sakpang mahabang-mahaba ang buhay mo. Maganda o napakaganda? Yan ang mga product natin sa AIM Global. Tunay na kakaiba. Hindi basta-basta. May backup ng studies at ng research.
Red wine is brimming with resveratrol. It's found in high concentration in the skin of the grape and seems to play a role in protecting it from invading bacteria and fungi.
Were you aware of the research into red wine that it had health benefits?
Oh, sure. I mean, that's why I almost fell off my chair when the link was made, and I thought that this was a potential explanation for the benefits of red wine.
Convinced they were on the verge of a major scientific breakthrough, Sinclair and Westphal launched Sirtris, a Cambridge, Massachusetts research company. They, along with a handful of other cutting-edge biotech companies, are developing resveratrol-based drugs that they believe zero in on the longevity gene.
The important news here is not that We found something in red wine. The important thing is that we passed a milestone where we can now make drugs based on this knowledge and potentially slow down aging itself.
How much red wine would you have to drink to get the kind of resveratrol that you're using?
The sad news is that you'd need to drink about 1,000 bottles a day of red wine, which I don't recommend. What we're talking about is activating the body's natural genetic defenses against diseases, and that's very powerful if we can harness that.
Resveratrol has been tested on mice and the results have been encouraging. In this test video provided by Sertris, both of the mice have been fed a high-fat diet for 12 weeks. But when placed on a treadmill, the mouse on the right ran twice as far. He was taking high concentrations of resveratrol.
You have fat mice and you have fat mice with resveratrol, and the ones that are on resveratrol, they can run twice as far and they live longer, about 20% longer.
Other studies showed that among mice fed a high-fat diet, those given resveratrol didn't gain as much weight as those not given the drug. Sinclair believes that resveratrol actually changes the physiology of the mice. The proof, he says, is in the post-mortem.
Their organs looked pristine, youthful, fat-free, and their physiology was just like they were dieting, but they were fat.
Convinced they were on the right path, they fast-tracked the drug into human trials on people with untreated diabetes, and the results were impressive. It significantly lowered glucose and insulin levels without the patients changing their diet or taking any other drugs.
Originally, our hope was that you'd be able to prevent diseases of aging. What we ended up seeing is actually you could therapeutically intervene